Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you guys with a transformation makeup, and I'm gonna be using only affordable makeup. That is all drugstore makeup. I don't have no high-end makeup in this look, in this tutorial. I haven't done my eyebrows, I have not done nothing on my face, I haven't done my hair. If you are interested, keep on watching and let's begin with this video.
Girl, I like your way, every night and day.
I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail because I'm gonna concentrate on the makeup first. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna be using this 3 kit. This pencil is from Wet n Wild. It's the retractable brow pencil, and this one is in medium brown. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Ultimate kit, eyebrow kit in ash brown. And then I'm gonna be using as well this NYX eyebrow gel, and this one is in espresso. Before I start with my eyebrows, I need to moisturize my face because I haven't moisturized my face yet. I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost because I have dry skin and my face is gonna be looking so ashy if I don't moisturize it first. Okay, now that is moisturized, now I'm gonna move on with my eyebrows. And if you wanna see a depth of how I do my eyebrows, I already filmed that video. The link is gonna be in the description box below.
Hiding in the dark, but we can see it through the lens that's captured us. So don't let it go. Get up to see me fall. We are standing in 2 time zones all at once. Can't take hold.
Apply concealer better than applying eyeshadow primer because I had dark circles all around my eyes, so that's why I use a concealer.
Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk. S-I-L-E-N-T, we don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T, let your body set.
And for this look, I'm gonna be taking this affordable palette by Profusion, and this is the Sienna palette. It's really affordable. I got this at Marshall's for $6.99, and they are so pigmented. I'm gonna take this color and I'm just gonna apply it on the crease and all over the lid.
You're free, S-I-L-E-N-T, follow me, I'll take the lead.
And then I'm gonna take Groovy and apply it on my crease.
Let go of your thoughts, my mind is muted, but I feel my body talk.
And then I'm gonna take Tickle. I'm just gonna apply it on the center of the lid and a little bit on the outer corner going to the inner corner, but not all the way.
So don't let go.
Next, I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal Paris Caron Black Liner Intense Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner.
And by the water's edge, I touch the surface and I feel you and we connect. So don't say no. Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk. S-I-L-E-N-T, we don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T, let your body set you free. S-I-L-E-N-T, follow me, I'll take.
For my waterline, I'm taking the Wet n Wild 4G Long Wearing Eyeliner Pencil.
the lead.
Then for mascara, this one is from Maybelline and this one is from Revlon. This is the Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Mascara, and this is the Revlon Lash Potion Mascara.
We don't need our words to speak.
Then I'm gonna go with false lashes, and I'm taking the Salon Perfect Demi Wispy lashes.
Silent with silent. Silent with silent. Silent with silent. Silent with silent. Silent with silent.
Okay, so I'm gonna move on with my face now. So I'm gonna prime my face using the Milani Prom Light Face Primer. And then I'm gonna go with the concealer and in Toffee.
S-I-L-E-N-T. We don't need our words to speak. Hiding in the dark, but we can see it through the lens that's catching us. So don't let it go.
For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cocoa.
Get up to see me fall. We are standing into time zones all at once. Can't take hold. Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk. S-I-L-E-N-T. We don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T. Let your body set you free.
Then I'm gonna go back with the LA Pro Conceal, but this time I'm gonna use a fan.
S-I-L-E-N-T. Follow me, I'll take the lead.
Set this concealer using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent.
Let go of your thoughts. My mind is muted, but I feel my body.
For contouring, I'm taking the Black Radiance 2 Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be using the middle one.
So don't let go.
For blush, I'm taking the Milani Powder Blush in Rose, Romantic Rose.
Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk. S-I-L-E-N-T. We don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T. Let your body set you free. S-I-L-E-N-T. Follow me, I'll take the lead.
Then I'm gonna go back with the palette, and I'm just gonna take Cryptic. This one right here that I apply on my crease and all over the lid. I'm taking this shade and I'm doing the same thing on the bottom. And I'm gonna take Groovy, the one that I apply on my crease, and apply it as well on the lower lid. And for highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter powder in front of my canopy. For my lips, I'm going with these two products. The first one is this lip liner by L'Oreal Paris, and it's in the color Toffee. Then I'm gonna go with this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in Honey.
Get up to see me fall. We are standing into time.
And I'm gonna set this makeup using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray.
All at once. Can't take hold.
this is the complete look.
S-I-L-E-N-T, we don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T, let your body set you free.
So that is it, my love, for this transformation makeup. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. As well, turn on the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.